Hi, friends! Today we're learning the letter K. Let's trace the capital K. Draw a straight line down. From the top, make a slant to the middle. From the middle, make a slant to the bottom. And the same for the small k. K says k, like in kite. Let's say it together. K, k. K is for kite. The kite flies high in the sky. K is for koala. The koala sleeps in the tree. K is for key. I use a key to open the door. K is for king. The king wears a crown. K is for kiwi. I eat a sweet kiwi. K is for kitten. The kitten plays with yarn. K is for kayak. The kayak floats on the water. K is for kitchen. We cook food in the kitchen. K is for kettle. The kettle boils water for tea. K is for kid. The kid is reading a book. K is for kite, koala, key, king, kiwi, kitten, knee, kitchen, kettle, kid. Goodbye! If you like this video, don't forget to press like, subscribe, and share it with friends. See you in the next letter.